News for investors. What does it mean for you and me? Fox 5's Jamie Chambers is in our control room now with whether or not the cash flow will trickle down to Main Street.
Well, it is pretty incredible, Kathleen. 14,253. That's the official high water mark for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And with the optimistic mood, there are investors flooding the market. But the unlearned lessons of the last meltdown could be waiting in the wings.
The economy seems to be recovering. There's some good information on housing, good information on capital equipment.
In a word, confidence. That's what most traders are calling this bull market that just popped up 120 points, pushing the Dow into uncharted territory.
A lot of companies have, replaced people with technology.
There's been very little inflation. They haven't increased our wages dramatically. Capacity utilization, we don't have to pay a bunch of overtime.
I know it sounds strange from the view on Main Street, but the profits in the corporate sector are going gangbusters. In short, the Great Recession created a leaner, more efficient economy and in the process left millions of Americans behind. Some experts believe the market is so hot we might have reached maximum efficiency, begging the question,
where do we go from here? How much more can we increase our earnings? And the answer is, if we don't start increasing sales, then it's going to be very hard to match these high earnings.
So how do we increase sales? Well, you need more customers. Ken Stern says this means we need more raises and more workers.
You have to figure out how we can increase our jobs, increase our manufacturing, increase energy, and do it here so that we can be a viable superpower.
The market record is still just a number, and the dangerous sleeping bears remain out there in the form of another congressional meltdown, the European debt crisis, and an economic slowdown in China. So what should you do with the stocks you've got? SDSU financial professor emeritus Tony Cherin.
Try to sell some of the stuff that's been doing very well and buy some of the stuff that hasn't been doing so well.
It's exactly what my grandfather always used to say. No one ever goes broke taking a profit. Walter, we'll send it back to you.